आर के त्यागी, गाजियाबाद, एनसीआर, दिल्ली। ओम सच्चिद जनवानी चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें। 1 सेकेंड खर्च होगा, वीडियो को शेयर लाइक कमेंट करें। साथियों, एक पोस्ट है वसंत वानकुंडरे की पोस्ट थी एक कोल्हापुर से, और इनको जवाब दिया है मिस्टर JD शर्मा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आइबा पार्क ने। तो वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ और बाद में इनकी पोस्ट भी बता दूंगा। ये कहते हैं, पोस्ट डेटेड 27 जनवरी 25 ऑफ मिस्टर वसंत वानकुंडरे about CBPRO/AIBA Park delegation meeting IBA at Mumbai on 21st January 25 is largely based on wrong inferences and interpretation of the circular number 5/2025 dated 26 January 25. It was very clearly mentioned in the circular that detailed discussions could not be possible due to paucity of time. He has further assumed many things and tried to express his views on his wrong assumption. वो उसे गलत बता रहे हैं, उस assumption गलत करिए। To put the issue in right perspective, it is mentioned that the meeting was prefixed and not impromptu. In fact, IBA had fixed time of meeting to be held on 23 January 25 at 11 a.m. CBPRO delegation members were at the office of IBA right before 10:30 a.m. So there was no paucity of time on the part of CBPRO. The top officials of IBA met the members of the delegation and informed that there was a sudden call from the chairman of IBA MD CEO Central Bank, who wanted them to meet him at his office urgently in connection with the IBA's IT conference scheduled to be held next day, 24 January 25. Hence, they felt sorry and suggested our meeting would be delayed. However, IBA advised that its advisor HR would meanwhile engage with us, and he had a detailed informal discussions on all the pending issues which did take place in right earnest. The post of chief executive being vacant and the deputy chief executive and senior advisor HR joined the discussion around 1 p.m. The details of further discussions with them have been reported in the CBPRO circular number 5/2025. The paucity of time was for the reason that many members in the delegation had booked their return ticket for the evening flight, and it was not possible to prolong the meeting beyond 1:30 p.m. In this backdrop, the insinuation against CBPRO Aiba Park in the post of Mr. Vasant Wankundre, who has prejudiced all concerned in IBA and UFBU by filing criminal cases against not only IBA functionaries but also against the leaders of UFBU, who are ill-intended, irresponsible, malicious, unwarranted and undesirable sermons which are devoid of any substance. And next to the contents of CBPRO circular, as an organization that is decent and focused on the issue concerning bank pensioners and retirees, let us not lose focus and get distracted by such irresponsible insinuations and continue to pursue our updation case in apex court. Hopefully the issue stands clarified. Dr. JD Sharma, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आइबा पार्क, CBPRO जिंदाबाद, आइबा पार्क जिंदाबाद, ये इन्होंने लिखा है। और मैं आपको वो पोस्ट भी बता देता हूँ जो वसंत वानकुंडरे साहब की है, जो उन्होंने लिखी थी। क्योंकि इन्होंने लिखा था कि भाई ये जो है, उन्होंने केस वापस लेने के लिए कहा है कि केस वापस ले लो, और जिसे मना कर दिया गया और वो डिस्कशन पूरी तरह से नहीं हो पाया। तो इस तरह का इन्होंने एक सर्कुलर जारी करा था, वो जो इसका रेफरेंस इसमें आपने पढ़ा, तो उसके ऊपर ही इन्होंने मिस्टर वसंत वानकुंडरे हैं कोल्हापुर से, जिन्होंने केस वेस भी क्रिमिनल लगा रखे हैं IBA के नेताओं के खिलाफ, सॉरी UFBO के नेताओं के खिलाफ और IBA के खिलाफ। तो ये है। तो इन्होंने क्या लिखा था, डियर रिटायरी फ्रेंड्स, मच इज इन एयर अबाउट आइवा पार्क्स एंड CBPRO मीटिंग ऑन 23rd January 2025. 2 reasons are given for the meeting could not be successful on 23rd January 2025. Number 1, paucity of time. Number 2, IBA insisted to withdraw the withdraw and appeal in apex court to initiate the talks, which was denied by Aiba Park. Firstly, the reason given is the paucity of time. From whom it is? If Aiba Park, then prior planning was not done from Aiba Park. Moreover, who told to go to negotiating table of IBA directly? ये कह रहे हैं। आगे कहते हैं they had casually approached IBA without prior intimation, or Aiba Park was much involved in 26 January 25 program and were very casual about the meeting, or IBA want to escape from the problems. No, it cannot be. IBA is very shrewd and knows how to deal you people that way. They dealt with you. They have their set ideas and want to deny the genuine demand of updation revision in pension by PS बैंक retirees. अब आगे लिखते हैं मिस्टर वसंतवान गुंडे कहते हैं मिस्टर आचार्य should have given the example when an agreement was signed by IBA and UFBU for second pension with an understanding that option will be given to those who withdraw the case pending in Supreme High Court. More, mere giving crores of rupees during Corona time and obtaining award from PM office won't place you in limelight. The ex gratia whose brainchild it may be, it is not to solve the tapering DA problem, but it is confusing retirees. Paying 450 and 800 as ex gratia prospective is not the real solution. The DA must be paid retrospectively from the date of eligibility. Then only it can be said an achievement, and then only you are permitted to come in jubilant mood. एक तरह की नसीहत दे रहे हैं इन्हें। आगे कहते हैं ये you deviated from AIBRF and formed Aiba Park, a separate retirees union long back, to show separate identity of your own and collect funds from poor retirees, and still today you are doing the same. You have not achieved anything so far. Just tell me one thing, you have achieved so many meetings after every 3 months, submit memorandum to MPs, various dignitaries, snapping selfies along with them, occasionally arranging dharna programs at Jantar Mantar and various big city centers. I don't find any potential in your proposed sharpened agitation and making it more pointed with the 70 plus and 80 plus retirees, so that IBA to come to negotiating table is daydream of yours. The problem will not be solved outside the court. अब ये कह रहे हैं इस बात को कि धरनों से कुछ नहीं होता 70-80 साल के, लेकिन धरने के लिए तो हमने रिक्वेस्ट करी थी, हमने भी अनेकों बार आचार्य जी से भी और मिस्टर SC जैन और दूसरे लोगों से भी कि भाई धरने लगाएं। अब इनका अपना वो हो सकता है, वो उन्होंने डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में दाखिल करा था जो केस, उसमें तो कुछ होना नहीं था और ना हुआ, लेकिन हर आदमी की अपनी मंशा और अपना विचार होता है, जो उन्होंने अपना स्पष्ट कर रहे हैं अपना विचार। मोर और आगे लिखते हैं मोर और यू आर डिमांडिंग पेंशन बी मेड ऑन सिमिलर कंडीशन ऑफ RBI विद 1 March 2019, which is a wrong demand in itself. The demand must be revision in pension on RBI formula with retrospective effect. UFB is no more in existence now. IBA cannot sign now any bipartite now, hence it is better to be under one banner only, for which you have to dissolve your identity and come under the banner like are Arbians, then only the retirees can fight with the mighty wrestlers and achieve the goal which you could not achieve in last 3 decades. Iron is hot. A proper advent is required to mold it as per our specification. Who takes the lead first is to be seen now. वसंत वानकुंडे, और ये इन्होंने 27 तारीख में लिखा था। लेकिन अब इनकी बात ये जाने, लेकिन हमारे हिसाब से ये कोई बहुत ज़्यादा उचित बात भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, और ये कह रहे हैं डिज़ोल्व कर दो इसे, क्या नाम है, ये आईबा पार्क को, जबकि मेरे हिसाब से आईबा पार्क अच्छा काम कर रही है कंपैरेटिवली AIBRF से बहुत अच्छा। तो मैं तो इस बात से इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता। ठीक है, धन्यवाद साथियों। भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम।